Hello and welcome to my studio. More on that later in another video because that's not what this video is about. This video is about a whole house declutter. Now, the idea behind this is not to clean. It is to get rid of the stuff that's just building up and all the junk and all the things that just clutter up your house. So I got this idea from Minimal Mom. I'll link her channel down below, but I love watching her videos and she's so inspiring. We are going to fast and furiously declutter this house and just see how much I can get rid of, or not just see how much we can get rid of, or see how much stuff we don't need anymore that's just taking up space. Because when it comes down to it, is the item worth the amount of space it is taking up? That's what I'll be asking. And so let's get to it. For those of you who may or may not know, I love to sew. And when I was in high school, a family friend of mine, she gave me this picture and she said, "Hey, can you make this for me?" And this is what launched into what was what I called Emily's Creations. And I started a business, I think I was like 14 or 15. And these are all of the patterns. This is the original. One of these patterns is the original owl pattern that I made by looking at this photo and recreating it. I didn't make this exact thing, obviously, but I recreated it to make my own. I became Chatty Cathy here, telling you all about sewing stuff. If you want to hear it, comment down below and I'll make a video about it. Okay. Let's see. Oh boy. Let's put back this stuff. Now, part of this decluttering is not to go through everything and sort it and organize it. So I'm going to just throw everything back in here, which is kind of against my nature, so I'm kind of freaking out a little bit, but trying to make a knot through it. Alright, let's do this. Oh, come on! Third time's the charm. Apparently not. I used to be so good at this. Oh, this is so close. This is embarrassing. Man, I'm sorry. Aha! See? Okay, I've had to stop myself multiple times. I'm telling myself I'm not organizing, I'm just looking through my stuff, figuring out if I want to keep it or not. In hindsight, this room is probably not the best room to start because there's just a lot of projects that I want to do in here. Like, this is literally my project zone. So I just have to go through this desk next, and I don't think it'll take very long. I am seeing lots of binders. Don't need that many binders. So we're gonna just zip through it and just get rid of the stuff I don't need anymore. So let's do this. Like I keep on trying to tell myself, I'm not organizing, I am just decluttering and getting rid of the stuff that I don't need. And that is proving to be rather difficult because I'm an organizer and I like things to be organized. So if I'm in a space, I might as well organize it, right? Well, let's get going to the next spot. Alright. Now we are in the bathroom and we're gonna just quickly go through stuff and figure out if we need it or not. So let's start in the cupboard. I would throw this away, but then my husband would get mad at me because there's probably, in his opinion, a week's worth of toothpaste left in here. I don't understand, and I got myself a new one, but he is getting the last little drop of toothpaste out of this that he possibly can. So, just as long as he doesn't forget about it back there. Now is not the time to organize, it is the time to declutter. So, this may be clutter, but I don't think so. Alright, I am in my kitchen now. Yay! I've gotten done with this, my studio and the bedroom, not the bedroom, the bathroom, and now I'm in the kitchen. We're gonna just do one sweep through and just figure out if, do I use it? Do we need it? Let's do this. Hey, how long has this cupboard been here?
What cupboard?
It's covered right here. I just opened it up from the... Has it always been there?
Yeah, it has. We had things in there earlier.
No, that was that one.
It's a lot deeper than I thought it was.
So my camera died halfway through doing the kitchen. So this is the stuff I'm actually going to get rid of from my kitchen. We've got rehoming and trash. Oh, this is a rehome. And I mean, not this. This is just stuff that I didn't have put away. So let's go to the other room. And then when my phone was charging, I went and did the living room, which honestly there's not very much stuff. Oh, my big ball of yarn. I'm working on a project. Can you tell? And then I got rid of a couple books and some movies, CD things that we don't need anymore. So I think that's pretty much it from this room. I think that's pretty much, I'm gonna wrap up then because I can't think of anything else I can declutter. I'm gonna just deal with all the stuff that I'm gonna get rid of, and then I'll show you the final bag amount. We've got 2 bags of giveaway, 1 bag of trash. I think that this has been pretty successful. So I ended up just working for about like an hour, hour and a half, depending on if you count the times that I kind of got distracted and started organizing, and I had to keep on telling myself to just declutter, to focus on the stuff that I don't need anymore, that I can just get out of the house. I challenge you, pick 1 or 2 rooms and go try to do that and see what you do. And also comment down below what 2 rooms you're going to do and how many bags you ended up decluttering out of your space. So I'd love to hear from you. Make sure you comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Bye! See you in the next one.